VP Chiwenga deserves a fair crack at the Zimbabwean presidency. He has all the attributes to succeed, but he is being blown by a bunch of oligarchies and opportunists who are where they are because of his sacrifices. He must be super angry at the betrayal. This is like the infamous Tony Blair Gordon Brown betrayal and the fallout that came with it. Zarapeda mashoko okuda ali attacks kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga after he made his sermon in the church. Panguwa ina iri kuzikanwa iri kutsviridza ya King Hezekiah. Remember subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Panapa Mublanyi Pamchinzi, and this is coming from someone who has backed ED on the economy up until Cap 3, and so his supporters have absolutely nothing on me on this. Chiwenga should exercise caution and restraint when dealing with ED, considering his experience in strategic thinking. Provocation, whether through words or actions, risks undermining both his personal credibility and the stability of leadership. This is not the ZANU-PF way. No matters akugana wana general vachinzi aiwa VP Constantino Chiwenga zvari kuita is not the ZANU-PF way. Panguva inoita kuti zvikananda zvakatikana neSMone hapa na VP Constantino Chiwenga as it is directly attacking ironyatso kunotsimba pamoyo pezvigananda after VP Constantino Chiwenga akanyatso kuwanira a Bible story inonyatso kusatisfy the current situation. Pane comment section medu zafungira enyi matu kudipa mzaro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.